Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Mi 9T, and today we are going to check how fast and reliable is the face unlock. So let's lock our device and let's make 5 tries. Okay, as you can see, the second one is almost it's also good. It recognized my face the third time. So to be honest, it works really good. It's not that fast like, you know, in the Mi 10T Pro or S20 Ultra or iPhone, because here we get, you know, this pops camera, but it is reliable for sure. It works every time. So yeah, I can recommend you this unlock method on the Mi 9T. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!